Let's make a cupcake. Take any tea or coffee mug. Also any your favorite biscuits. Don't forget to apply oil on the cup and then put the biscuits, followed by the milk. Mix the biscuit in the milk with a fork or spoon. Then add more biscuits and make sure the mixture is 70% of the cup. Mix it well until the mixture is thick as paste, and then add baking powder or NO. Mix it well. Put the cup in the microwave for 3 minutes. Tick tick tick. Ta-da! It's ready. It's hot. Taking to the room as making it 11:30 at night for New Year 2023. Everyone is sleeping but me and brother starting the new year with sweet cupcake. You should also try.